models for Irish dataset. I need you to write Streamlit Python script for me for the model deployment phase. I want it to have prediction phase, post model explanation phase, using line. So let's see what happens here. Good. So you could actually see that it has generated the script for you. So this has saved you lots of time to do that. Okay. So you could also see it has created the futures for you. You have loaded that. So let's see. So yes, it has created the page where you could be able to do that. And then how you could load it. So let's say it's running in a folder called let's see, the name of the folder is explainer Irish here, and the saved model is in a subfolder, the explainer called models. And then let's see what's the saved model name. So let's say the saved model name is this. So I could just copy it, the joblib, remember? So oh no, we're here. So you could so the saved model name, which is this one here, I could just put the joblib. So update the script for me. Update the script for me. So next you run this. Good. So now it has updated the script for you. And it has also put it has done this for you. So what this OS means, import operating system, means that it's going to check the path where it is, and it will pick it, and then it will load it. So it has done that for you. So now you see it has created it for you. So good. So what I'm going to do now, it's you can download it here. You download the code, which is already in this format. So you go to your download. Here is it in your download. So I want to call, yeah, I think the nature of what it calls is fine. So let's pick the file from the folder. You can press cut. Go back to the model where now it's here. So I'm going to paste it here. Ctrl V. So now the model is saved here. So if I want to view this code, I will open it with Atom. So the Atom is for me, I'm using Windows for this, but if I'm using my MacBook, I could use another different code viewer to do that. So, but the Atom do well for me, but you could use other viewers to do that. So it doesn't have to be the same thing. So this is it. So you have created the script within just few seconds. You don't have to write all these things again. You don't have to do the stress. The generative AI have helped you to do that. So you could see it has created the scripts for us and how it looks like. You can see we've done that in just a couple of minutes. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to run this app locally before we do the deployment. So now let's open the CMD. So once you are here, you open the CMD. So once you open the CMD, the next thing you do, you type Streamlit, then run. Now, this is the name of the app. So you highlight the name, copy that, and then once you come to this, you paste it, .py, then you click enter. So we will see if it's going to run effectively or we're going to have errors. We debug, we debug, we continue to go back and forth until once we are okay, then we can be able to host it on cloud. So let's see if we're okay. Okay, so it has run successfully. So now you can see it has run very well for us. But then I'm not okay with it. I want to do some changes. I want to do some modifications. So what I want to do, I needed to tell it, for example, I want the users to be able to see some EDA before the prediction. So I will go back to the Google, the GitHub Copilot, which I use, which you use for the coding. I'll say, please update the script for me to also perform some EDA visuals, such as heat map and route to the prediction phase. When we come to prompt engineering, I'll also teach you guys how to do prompts, so you make sure the prompt is very, very clear. So you know how let's see how it goes. We'll get to those phases. But these are exciting times, okay? So you can see, like, this is like one of the best moments right now. I was telling my brother some days back that you don't really understand the times we are living in. We are living in one of the most exciting time in human history. Like, I could do crazy. You just, I'll show you guys a lot. There are lots of things in there. Let me not just stop you guys. All right, so you could see it has added another phase for me, to be able to do the EDA and all that. So let's say I'm okay with what it has done. So now I wouldn't want to download again. Just copy the code, come to the atom where you've already opened the script here. So let's say I needed to make that changes because it gave me everything. So I'll just copy paste everything and save. So once I save, I'll go through it to see am I okay with some of the things that it has done. So the next thing, I'm going to rerun and see if I'm okay with it. Good. So now you see it has updated the script for me. It has made visuals for me. Can you now see all this done just few clicks? Can you see? Can you see some of the exciting things we have done? So the next phase that we want to do is to make predictions. So you click on the prediction phase now. So let's say we want to make predictions on this, where we increase this to any format we want. So now let's try the prediction and see what happens in the prediction phase. So exciting times, exciting times, exciting times. You could do lots of crazy things with some of the things out there. Okay, so the next thing is to run for prediction. So it makes that when you have a new data available, this is what it's going to do for you. It's going to make prediction and return the probability for you. So with that, you can be able to choose between if it's so the predicted especially here is vascular, and the vascular seems to be high. All the other ones, you could see the prediction probability was quite small. So let's look at the line explanation. So explain to me with line. So we want to see what are the features that makes it to say it's supposed to be vascular and not all the other ones other way around. So you could see the reason why it should be vascular are much more than first because of the petal length, which is 3.9. The petal width was 1.10. Then there is also the sepal length of 5.0.